Welcome back to Auto Cars Updates, your go-to source for the latest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the exciting return of an icon, the all-new 2025 Volkswagen Beetle. Volkswagen has officially reimagined the Beetle for a new generation, blending retro charm with cutting-edge technology and eco-friendly performance. The 2025 Beetle isn't just a nostalgic nod to the past, it's a bold step into the future. The first thing you'll notice is the design. The signature rounded shape remains, but now it's sleeker, more aerodynamic, and infused with modern details. LED lighting wraps around the front and rear, giving the Beetle a contemporary yet unmistakably classic look. The curves are refined, the grille is minimalist, and the body lines are sharper and more dynamic. Under the hood, the 2025 Beetle surprises with an all-electric powertrain. That's right, Volkswagen has ditched the gas engine in favor of a clean, silent electric motor. Early specs hint at a range of around 250 to 300 miles on a single charge, supported by Volkswagen's latest MEB electric platform. Fast charging capabilities mean you can get up to 80% charge in just 30 minutes. Inside, the Beetle offers a futuristic yet familiar interior. The cabin is minimalist but warm, with a digital instrument cluster and a large central infotainment display. Volkswagen's new infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. Ambient lighting, sustainable materials, and customizable drive modes bring a premium feel to the iconic compact. Safety hasn't been overlooked. The 2025 Beetle comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and even a driver attention alert system. Volkswagen is pushing the Beetle into a new era with serious safety tech. Customization is another key part of the Beetle's identity. Buyers will be able to choose from a wide range of colors, wheels, and interior finishes, ensuring your Beetle stands out just the way you want it to. From playful pastels to bold metallics, there's a Beetle for every personality. As for the price, Volkswagen aims to make the Beetle accessible. While final pricing hasn't been confirmed, insiders suggest a starting price around $30,000 for the base electric model, making it a strong competitor in the growing EV market. The 2025 Beetle marks a powerful comeback for one of the world's most beloved cars. With zero emissions, head-turning style, and advanced tech, it's ready to charm a whole new generation of drivers. Thanks for watching Auto Cars Updates. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest car news. Drop your thoughts on the 2025 Beetle in the comments. Would you drive one?